Hi, in this video I will show you how to calculate the expected return of an investment that has multiple scenarios, and also how to calculate variance and standard deviation. Let's assume there is an investment that has three scenarios. Scenario 1 has the probability of 20% of happening. Probability of occurrence is 50% for scenario 2 and 30% for scenario 3. Scenario 1 has a return of 10%. Scenario 2 has 20% return, and scenario 3 has 30% return. To calculate the expected return of the investment, you take the probability of scenario occurrence and multiply it with the return of that scenario. The expected return is the sum of those results, like this. This gives the expected return of 21%. For variance, you take the return of each scenario minus the expected return of the whole investment. You raise the result up by 2 and you multiply it with the probability of that scenario. The sum of these values will be the variance. .0049. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. .7%. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.